And you know what? Let's just slap it on this case and boom, it clicked on and it is charging my phone right here. So yes, MagSafe does work with this case. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this case right here. This is the Catalyst Vibe case for none other than my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now, before we start taking this case out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to Catalyst for sending me this case out for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you, Catalyst. And without further ado, let's start getting this guy out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. And as you can see, it actually comes with this lanyard right here. So we'll open this up second, but first let's look at the case itself. So it says Catalyst up here. It's clear over here so you can see the case. Over here it says 2.5 times higher drop protection. So that's going to be 10-foot drop protection it advertises. And I find this very interesting. It says up to an additional 30% louder sound out of your phone. That's something I've never seen a case claim before. So I'm going to be interested to see how that sounds. Anyway, over here in the back, we've got more pictures of the case. It talks about how it's got a mute switch, built-in magnets for MagSafe, and how it's also got a non-slip grip to it. But anyway, let's just start opening this up and seeing what this case is all about. So here we go. We can pull it out of the box, and now the box is empty right here. Put this to the side, and here's the case itself. And wow, first impression, this is definitely a very lightweight case. And yeah, okay, now that we've seen what is in the box, let's go ahead and open up this lanyard little packaging as well. So we can just pop it open right there, and then let's pull out the lanyard. Okay, and then we've got some pieces here, and we've got a little picture right here of using the lanyard. So there, we can put this to the side as well. And now let's actually put this case on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So we can just pop it right in, and boom, that was easy. Talk about a flexible case. Now, first impression, I will say this definitely does feel grippy on the side. Based on this textured side that's got going on right here, it almost feels like maybe scales on an animal or something. So that's kind of cool right there. Another thing I'm noticing is also this mute switch design. You can rotate it to mute and unmute your phone. It kind of reminds me of on the LifeProof free cases, how they have a twisting mute switch as well. So that's kind of cool right there. Over here on that side, we also do have volume buttons right there. Nice and easy to press. Over here on the bottom, we have a cutout for the lightning port. And interestingly enough, you don't have cutouts here for the speaker grills. You have them right here facing forward. So again, I'm going to be really interested to see how audio sounds with this case on, based on how they advertise that it makes it 30%, well, up to 30% louder. Over here, you got your side button if you want to talk to Siri or put your phone to sleep. Over here on the back, it says Catalyst, and we've also got a interesting textured design right here on the back. Sort of looks like carbon fiber. Over here around the rear camera bump, you do have a raised bezel. So in theory, your phone's camera should not be touching a flat surface like a table if you put your phone down on it. And similarly on the front, it looks like we do have a raised lip around the phone. So if you put it down on a flat surface, in theory, the screen should not be touching that flat surface. So that is definitely good. And I'm also noticing in all the four corners, we do have a hole, and I'm guessing each of those is for a lanyard attachment. So let's say I want to put the lanyard on this hole right here. I'm guessing this is how we would do it, by sticking this little piece right here into the lanyard hole, and then we can pull it through, and then we can put this through right here. Now, I'm guessing this is how you do it, and let's see, yep, that seems like that would be how you do it, because look, now my phone is just dangling from the lanyard. Another thing too to note, I just noticed this, but on the lanyard right there, it says Catalyst, so that's kind of cool. And it looks like we've got their logo right here on this little part that can make it tighter or looser. But now, anyway, folks, let's hear how audio sounds with this case on. So here I have the phone up to max volume, and I have my iPhone 13 Pro Max unboxing video, and you know what? Let's just play it.
This Sierra blue color right here. It sort of looks like icy to me, maybe like an Arctic blue. I think that would probably be a better name for it.
I will not lie, that certainly sounds loud, but you know what? Now let's take this case off and hear how loud it sounds with the case off. So here we go, same thing.
I'm also really liking this Sierra blue color right here. It sort of looks like icy to me, maybe like an Arctic blue. I think that would probably be a better name for it.
Okay, so to me that still did sound loud, but I think slightly quieter. I don't know if I could really tell a difference. So what I'm gonna do now, because this is a really flexible case, is I'm gonna start playing the video. Again, we're gonna be doing max volume with the case on, and I'm gonna peel it off down here on the bottom to hear the real-time effect of taking the case off. So here we go.
I'm also really liking this Sierra blue color right here. It sort of looks like icy to me, maybe like an Arctic blue. I think that would probably be a better name for it. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to
Okay, so with that quick little test there, honestly, both with the case on the speakers and with the case off the speakers, it sounded the same volume. So I don't really know if that volume increase thing, if it's a gimmick or not. But yeah, personally for me, I always listen to audio either on my phone or on my computer with my AirPods Max on. So it doesn't really matter to me how the phone speakers sound. I mean, obviously I want them to sound good. But yeah, I prefer using my AirPods Max anyway. But now, anyway, folks, another thing to test on this case is actually that MagSafe compatibility. So here we've got my Apple MagSafe battery pack, and you know what? Let's just slap it on this case, and boom, it clicked on, and it is charging my phone right here. So yes, MagSafe does work with this case, thankfully, because I'm a huge fan of MagSafe. I actually use it to charge my iPhone every night with the MagSafe charging stand. And I mean, yeah, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say about this Catalyst Vibe case right here for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. If you want it for yourself, it will set you back about $50. So definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you have it for yourselves? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Definitely let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you are in the market for your very own iPhone 13 Pro Max case, definitely be sure to check out my link down in the description to my playlist of all the iPhone 13 Pro Max cases that I've unboxed on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. And spoiler alert, it is a lot of cases, so I can help you guys find the perfect case just for you. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.